Today we are going to walk you through one of the most picturesque places on this earth.
It's unreal, it doesn't even look real.
The Valley of Waterfalls begins now.
We don't actually know what day it is on this road trip,
but we're enjoying it a lot.
Today has been a bit built up in our minds, I think that's fair to say. The land of the waterfalls, I mean, Lauterbrunnen had to be done, and there was a 4:30 alarm this morning to get up, to drive the hour-and-a-half drive to get here. And here we are, the walk from the Parkplatz down to Trummelbach.
2.7 kilometre walk, takes about 30 to 35 minutes.
There is a bus, and apparently most people get the bus from the car park.
From Lauterbrunnen, you can take the bus down, it takes about 8 minutes, but this walk is incredible.
You see so much on the walk.
You see waterfalls coming off the mountains, stunning scenery everywhere you look.
We're just strolling along, taking it all in. Well, trying to. It's so crazy. It's like your brain doesn't even process it's real.
It is hard to believe it's real.
No, it's mental.
And the view ahead of us now is just unbelievable.
I'm so glad we're here.
Colour change on the slippery stairs. Looks like we're going to get pretty wet by the looks of it.
We love going down the waterfall, don't we?
Yeah.
This is a pretty epic one.
Pretty epic one. It's a bit steep.
Yeah.
You go through a few tunnels, but it's pretty easy generally. Spissbachfall.
It's 265 metres.
So only slightly smaller than the first one we saw today. Both equally impressive.
Yeah.
And you can see them from quite far away from here.
Buchenbachfall is 380 metres. Wow. This is something a bit unique to Lauterbrunnen. Look at this.
You
can get a little bag for your local goods. Look at that, they've got wine, sausage, cheese, that looks like dried apple, some eggs, fresh eggs out of a vending machine, milk and apple juice. Oh, are we near it?
This way, 10 minutes. Trummelbachfall.
Lovely. Look at this.
For a second I thought, which way do we go? But look at the size of that arrow. 10 cascades inside the mountain.
We're here just after 9, which is when this opens.
28 francs to see the Trummelbach falls. There's 10 levels I can see on a post now.
I'm so still confused what's going on here.
This should be fun, people.
It says 10 glacier waterfalls inside the mountain. What?
You can take the lift to get up to the 6th level out of 10. But we've chosen the stairs. We're literally in the middle of a waterfall going up a tunnel.
Inside more caves now. It's so loud you can almost feel it shaking, like the whole rock is so weird.
And crazy. Again, whoever filmed this is a genius.
Oh my god, this is quite scary. And you're right on top of the waterfall.
Let's suddenly see this lovely view again.
Wow.
Wow, we're going up high, aren't we?
See, taking the stairs means you get the valley views as well as you go up.
It's like nothing I've ever seen. Most people take the lift. They're definitely missing out. That's all I know. Explain how cold I am now.
Well, you should have probably put a coat on before we went in the cave.
It was absolutely bonkers experience, that was.
Oh my god, it's so good.
I can't hear much, I can't feel my hands, all my ears. We're going to fall out and perhaps we'll get some lunch.
It's a full sensory experience.
A nice lunch, refueled, just continued on the path because we've seen potentially 2 more waterfalls at the end of this valley, so we thought we'd check them out. It's not a bad view, is it?
I mean, you run out of words, don't you, in places like this?
I know. 87 waterfalls we are seeing, and it's sprouting out the middle of the rock.
Yeah.
And then we look further and Waterfall 88 is on the side.
This is insane.
Wow.
Oh god.
And the best view I think I've ever seen ahead.
That is beautiful, isn't it?
You got cows on the grass, you got the river flowing at the side.
You got snow-capped mountains, waterfalls. I mean, does it get any more Alps than this?
Waterfall 87. Incredible walk in the valley of waterfalls.
It doesn't get boring, does it?
Doesn't. And our waterfall number 88 we can see through these trees, can't we?
Yeah.
So I feel like we're just going to have to keep walking, really.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this. What a crazy...
Oh my goodness.
I can't even see the top of it.
Yeah, there's a cable car going up there.
Wow.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is spectacular. Look at that.
The view's there.
Oh my goodness.
And then you just turn around and see what it says.
Look at that. Murrenbachfall.
This is the biggest one by a mile.
Oh my god.
You just look up. The Murrenbachfall. 417 metres.
That's crazy.
and it could be the best one we've seen. There you go, the highest waterfall in Switzerland.
No way! I can't believe we've, at the end of this crazy, crazy day, we've seen the highest waterfall in Switzerland. Oh my gosh! I've run out of things to say.
That is insane. 88 waterfall. What a waterfall.
Yeah!
And
oh my gosh.
We've completed the Lauterbrunnen walking trail.
We have pretty much, haven't we? Yeah.
We've walked the entire length of the valley.
Yeah. And now we've got to walk back.
We're nearly at the end of this glorious day here in Lauterbrunnen. And I've kind of run out of words for how good this place is. So thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up.
And subscribe, because there is still more to come, would you believe it?
If you like this content, hit the subscribe, because we love it. We love doing all these hikes, seeing all these waterfalls, and we want to continue to do it. This morning this was empty, and now we can't see our car anywhere, and now we've got to find out how much does it cost in a car park in Lauterbrunnen.
OMG.
We've been here about 6 hours.
I'm not looking forward to
7
this.
hours. So 7 hours I think to park in Lauterbrunnen. Cost us 11 francs.
That's less than I thought, actually.
Way less than I thought too.
Yeah, given how touristy this is.
Very reasonable.
Yeah, not bad.
Pretty good.
Which way?
And at 2:15 PM on a sunny Monday, July. Carnage. Back to Bern.
Wow, what a day.
What a day.
Holy mackerel.
We're absolutely done in.
Absolutely done.
But it was so worth it.
Yeah.
Goodbye from the beautiful Valley of Waterfalls.
And we'll see you somewhere else in Switzerland next time.